From the bustling outskirts of the city, a sprawling, state-of-the-art facility hums with activity, its purpose singular and aromatic. The transformation of raw garlic. Day and night, heavy trucks arrive, their beds laden with burlap sacks filled with freshly harvested bulbs, ready to begin their journey from field to factory floor. Inside, the process begins as workers swiftly unload the sacks onto a conveyor belt. The raw garlic tumbles into a powerful washing machine, where high-pressure water jets spray away dirt and debris, cleansing each bulb in a cascade of splashing water. Next, the cleaned garlic enters an automated peeling machine. With mechanical precision, the outer layers are stripped away, revealing pristine white cloves, a process carefully monitored by attentive staff. The peeled cloves then travel along another conveyor for sorting. Workers meticulously inspect the garlic, removing any imperfections to ensure only the highest quality cloves proceed. Following inspection, the garlic is processed. Close-up shots reveal specialized machines efficiently chopping, slicing, and crushing the cloves into a fine, pungent paste. This paste is then funneled into an automated packaging line, where machines fill, seal, and label individual packets with remarkable speed. The final products, now ready for kitchens around the world, are packed into boxes and stacked high on pallets. Forklifts maneuver through the warehouse, loading the cartons onto waiting trucks. As the vehicles depart, they carry with them the culmination of a meticulous process, delivering the essential flavor of garlic to countless destinations.